Hi guys! In this movie I will be showing you how to change the setting in the speed controller. So, let's get started! And now it's time to change the settings. You just plug in the cable and then you switch on. First you see what the update the program box has. You press up. Second, you see what the speed controller has for update, and this is the latest version. Then you press up again to change the settings. Up and down is how you change the modes. Right and left is to change what setting you prefer to have in the different modes. So for example, forward brake is always what I use, so I don't change this one. Reverse speed 25% is always how I prefer to have it. Global cut is when the cut should be happening, so you can either save the battery or you prefer to have it on none. I often use none, so I would change this one to none too. Then you go on to the next one, drag brake. I don't prefer to have so much drag brake, so I go down to maybe 6%. Initial brake, I always prefer to have 0. So you see I'm only using the left and right to change, and up and down for changing the modes. Full brake, that's a little bit too much for me, so I prefer 20. So 90% is a little bit too much for me, so I prefer 75%. Brake rate, I often use level 9, so I change it to this one too. Brake frequency, I often also change this one, so I have it in the same. Brake mode traditional, I prefer this one. Throttle rate, I can go down, I think to level 1 is a good one. PT soft power, we can take it on 1. Soft range, we can go to maybe 20%. Drive frequency, I don't change this one either. Deadband, we can have it in 6%. So you see, this is how easy I change every settings. So you can change later to what you prefer to have. Now I'm just putting on what I used to have. Also, after you have changed, please wait like 1 second so it has time to save itself. Let's switch down from up. So if you, for example, go up, you can also go down to what you prefer. And now if you like regret what you have put it on, you can go down and then you're back, so you don't have to go all the way up or down to change it. And after you have done every heat, you can see what the speed controller has for max temperature and also what the highest RPM you have on your motor to do the best settings possible for you after the track. And now when you're done, you can just switch off and then plug the cable. And that's how easy it is. So thank you so much for watching. Now if you wonder what setup I have in my speed controller, you can find it at my website, Jessicapalssonmotorsport.se. Now if you want to buy your own Team Orion Electronics, you can find it at Microracing.se. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we see each other at the racetrack. Take care. Bye.